Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sithole. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. So Bonga Sithole, the homeless man, has finally told his side of the story as to the reason why he decided to check himself out of rehab. He's back once again roaming the streets of Joburg begging for money. A video of him explaining why he decided to check himself out is doing its round on social media. So without wasting your time, please check it out.
Right. Right.
Yeah.
Pandua, she's fine.
I pulled out of rehab
Yeah.
for administrative purposes.
Okay.
Understand? There are some things that suppress me because now I'm hence that is why I do like emphasize His grace. Now I'm a profound believer in God's grace
And embracing the masses.
One understand, dog.
Yeah.
So I'm an avid prayer. Understand? I conduct like the chain of prayers. Understand?
Yeah.
So those people were suppressing me. And I believe personally, I have a legislative or a constitutional right to exercise my religion.
Of course.
So those people were actually suppressing me from conducting prayer sessions. Understand? I believe how long I take especially where my God is concerned. Nah. Understand?
Yeah.
And the second thing is sexually orientated. Understand? But I don't want to delve deeper into that. Understand? Because I don't want to incriminate myself already.
Yeah.
But one thing I can tell you is that people will be people, and now I never let the negative perceptions or the comment about to suppress me because I know what I'm destined for. I believe my God, Jehovah Waga, had pre-orchestrated my life and predestined it for a specific purpose. So I believe whatever is happening in my life in Yaga, this current moment is destined by God. Understand? So nothing can stop that from because where God opens, no one can shut. When God says yes, no one can say no. Understand? Yeah. And then on the Sisanda story, I just called her this morning.
Mang Sisanda.
Yeah, Advocate Babe.
Yeah.
And then she's still in Singapore. Yeah, like on holiday. Mara, she said in 6 days.
She was a bit disappointed though.
Yeah, she was.
Yeah.
But and then now I just laid myself down.
Okay.
I'm straight like that.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
And then we opted for something.
Yeah.
So I'm still gonna go back, understand? But not to that same institution.
Okay. No.
If I were to go back there, there's serious things that need to change in that facility. Understand?
Yeah.
Because I believe there's an abuse of power and maladministration. Yeah.
No, for now.